In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift someone Steam points. If you want to surprise a friend with something they can actually use across Steam, the easiest way is to send a digital Steam gift card. It adds funds to their Steam wallet, and when they spend those funds on games or content, they'll earn Steam points to use in the points shop. Start by opening Steam and logging into your account. You can do this in the desktop app or in a web browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you plan to purchase from, and that your payment method is set up and ready, so checkout is smooth. Head to the store from the top menu. This is where all purchases happen, including gift cards. In the search bar, type Steam gift cards. You'll see options for both physical and digital versions. We want the digital card so it can be delivered online. Click into the digital Steam gift cards page. Here, pick the amount you want to send. Choose a denomination that matches what you'd like them to have. Consider their wishlist or a price point that makes sense in their region. Steam will handle currency automatically, but keep in mind that regional pricing can vary. Next, enter your recipient's Steam username or their email address, depending on what Steam asks for. Take a moment to double-check you've got the right person. A small spelling mistake can delay delivery, so accuracy matters. If there's a message box, add a short note to personalize your gift. Proceed to the payment page and review your order details. Confirm the amount, recipient, and payment method, then complete the purchase. Most payments go through right away, though some methods may take a bit longer. Once payment is processed, Steam will send the digital gift card to your friend. They'll receive a notification prompting them to accept the gift. If they don't see it immediately, suggest they check their Steam notifications, their email associated with Steam, or relaunch the app to refresh. After they accept the gift, the funds will be added directly to their Steam wallet. From there, they can spend the balance on games, add-ons, in-game items, or other content. As they make purchases, Steam automatically awards points they can use in the points shop for profile items, animated avatars, and more. It's a simple way to help them get exactly what they want while earning points along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.